Self realization. I wish you could forgive me one day. Forget that this world can be cruel. Please forgive the coward in me. Forget that I chased you. Forget that I tried to influence you. Now I know I was only a thief who tried to steal your love. You were beautiful, and it was your only fault. Forgive me that I was influenced by your beauty, but I couldn't find much beauty inside you. I never thought there could be anything inside you. My love was sex in disguise. You were beautiful, and it was your only fault. I remember that the cattle is killed for its beauty. I believe that I influenced you. I tried to influence you, but you didn't show a sign of love. You are pure. We were tight-lipped. Our love was silent. I felt I don't want you, but I was wrong. I always needed someone. I miss your love, at least your presence. I want you badly, but I am weak. I remember you. Sometimes I feel guilty for influencing you, for chasing you. You are a person of your own. Who am I to influence you? Who am I to ask you to look at me? Look at my love. I am nobody. I am nobody to divert your attention. I am only a companion of yours in the voyage of life. I am a companion of you like anybody else. I am not special, but you are special. Everybody wants you. Everybody needs your kind attention. Everybody seeks your look. Everybody needs your presence. You are special. You are beautiful. Are beautiful. You influence others. Your face is special. Your smile is special. Everybody loves you. You are one of a kind. Loved you. I still love you. I will always love you. I don't know why I love you when you hate me so much. I know I will not get anything from you. I know you don't even think about me. I love you. You are near to me, dear to me. I know you are not able to love me, but it is okay. I love for myself. I believe in love. I feel there is something in it which will protect me. I feel that there is something in beauty. I realize you as a woman and myself as a man. What is more to it? I don't know. I know that you are beautiful. I also know that you don't love me. I don't think my face is special. You can easily forget me. I don't think I have done the right thing by trying to attract you. Maybe I could attract you to some extent. I don't know if it is my success or failure. I wish you didn't love me. Then I wouldn't feel the pain I feel now. You could have considered me as an idiot. I was trying to break that image. I badly wanted your love. I could not even think of not attaining your love. I felt you should also love me. I wanted you very badly. I could at least seek your attention. You know that there is someone who wanted your attention. Maybe you were not able to love me, but you know there is someone who loves you. You know I wanted you.
പുതിയ പീഡിയാഷോർ 7 Plus